Good luck finding that exhaust leak. I found mine.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, John Masters here. It's as cold as a witch's boob out here. It really, actually, I guess a witch's boob today would be pretty cold. Okay, I discovered a good reason to actually crank your car when it's cold, and that is to discover an exhaust leak. I'd been thinking that I might have had an exhaust leak on the vehicle here, and I actually had one under there before that I fixed. But in the cold, you can see that there is an exhaust leak right up under the driver's seat right there. So I hadn't thought about that. But if you think you've got an exhaust leak on the vehicle and you start it when it's cold as hell like this, then you might actually be able to see it. Let's go check it out. Let's see if we can see what I've fixed before and if that's what's doing it. Actually, yeah, you see right there? It's probably coming out right there. Can we see it? Man, that is incredible. All right, there's a good reason to start it up on a cold morning. That's a pretty notorious problem on these vehicles too. That right there. See. And notice how now it says stop. Now. So once it warms up, it won't do that, but that's pretty cool. So, all right, folks. John Masters, peace out.